Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting in the Instagram creator. Open Plus and choose Reel or Story, then record or import your clip. Once done, trim the clip so your narration matches the timing. This reduces re-records. Next, tap the sticker icon for Stories or the Audio tab for Reels, and select VoiceOver or the microphone tool. You're setting up the recording layer now so you can record directly on the timeline, which keeps lip sync and pacing accurate. Now record your voiceover over the selected segment. Choose whether to record on the whole clip or just a segment by moving the playhead and selecting the region. Use headphones and an external mic if possible to cut room noise and keep consistent levels. While recording, speak clearly and follow visual cues on screen. If you make a mistake, rewind and record that short part again. After recording, adjust volume. Apply simple effects or noise reduction in the audio controls to polish the sound. Finish by previewing the entire reel or story with your voiceover in place. Make small edits to start or end points so nothing cuts off. Make sure to mute the original clip audio if it competes with your narration, or balance both tracks using the mix sliders for clarity. If you encounter glitches like playback skipping or miss segments, close and reopen the app, clear cache, or re-record that segment. These steps usually resolve sync or record.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.